New Year, everybody! Merry Christmas!
This is one of the best times of the year.
A wonderful holiday tradition is sitting down with your family and friends to watch your favorite Christmas and holiday movies. A great classic and one of our favorites is It's a Wonderful Life with Jimmy Stewart, believed to be based off one of our very own small towns in the heart of the Finger Lakes region, Seneca Falls.
So join us to relive some of these special scenes.
Merry Christmas, everyone! Merry Christmas!
Rochester? Well, why Rochester?
I want to spend Christmas in Elmira with my family.
You want the moon?
Just say the word. I'll throw a lasso around it and pull it down.
You got any money in the bank? You better hurry.
How much do you need? $2. That's what you agreed to. There we go, fellas. 3, 2, 1, bingo! We made it! Na, 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 na. Merry Christmas!
Look, Daddy, every time a bell rings, an angel gets his wings.
We would like to thank our clients and this beautiful area for reminding us each and every day it truly is a wonderful life and there is plenty to be grateful for.
We want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a healthy New Year.
Cheers to living here! This holiday season, we hope you consider giving back to the community you proudly call home.